Okay, so a new piece of equipment at the gym is the reverse hyper. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to, one, use it and what you should feel as you're using it, some good reps and set schemes to really make your back feel good, get a lot of good blood flow and strength to the low back, which is really what this machine is used for. A lot of posterior chain strength, but really getting this part of your back nice and strong, as well as a little bit more mobile. So we're going to go through how to get into it, how to use it, all those type of things. So just starting off with, go ahead and step on up here. So you're going to use the strap here and get both your heels inside of the strap. There's a little step here on the outside, so you can use that to climb up on top, but basically you're just going to lay over the pad using the handles to grip a hold, and you want your hips to be off the edge of this pad just a little bit so that when that pendulum swings underneath, it pulls your low back into a little bit of rounding. Okay, so then the rest of this movement is going to be using momentum to swing. Okay, so you want this to pull those feet underneath the machine, and then that low back here is going to round a little bit. When you pull up, you want to come right up to about straight. You don't want to overextend here at the back, so you're pulling up to where your legs are pretty close to straight, and then just keep rotating there. As far as weight to use on this machine, you want to use a weight to where between 15 to 20 reps starts to get challenging. That can mean a lot of different things for different people, but for the most part, it's probably going to be a little bit more weight than you think. So this is 25 pounds there on each side. That's probably a good starting spot to just see how you feel, but pretty quickly then you can probably ramp that up to maybe 45s on each side and beyond. So what you should feel after you are done with this, that is a good feeling, should be that these back muscles right through here almost feel like they are potentially like really pumped up, like if you did a bunch of bicep curls, maybe even like feeling like they're like thumping a little bit. All of those are really good feelings, and what this machine does to create a lot of strength in your low back. So do that for anywhere 3 to 4 sets of that like 15 to 20 rep range. And I would hit this like multiple times a week. So this is not something that you need to do once a week. It can be 3, 4, even 5 days a week. It's really good for your back. Can be done as a warm-up or after the workout just to get a little bit more work for the low back.